Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. As you read the title of this video, I am going to show you how to download Android Jelly Bean 4.3.iso file. So what we are waiting for, let's get started. Go to the description of this video. Under the download link section, you will be going to find my website link www.iammrhelper.com/how to download Android Jelly Bean 4.3 ISO file. Or link will be something like that. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will going to land on this page. Now scroll down little bit. Under the download link section, you will be going to find this website link. This is the download link of Android Jelly Bean 4.3. Click on it. Now this is the Android Jelly Bean 4.3.iso file, as you can see from the name of this file. Click on it. So as you can see, file size of this ISO file is only 199 MB. To save it, you have to select the save file and click on OK. I'm going to skip downloading part because it doesn't make any sense to show you my download speed. So I will see you after my download complete. So my download completed. Let me go to the location where my file has been downloaded. So as you can see, this is an Android Jelly Bean ISO file with a name of Android-x86-4.3-20130.725 ISO file. Now you can mount it or make a bootable of this ISO file and install it on your PC. If you want me to show you how to install Android Jelly Bean on your PC, or how to install Android Jelly Bean on VirtualBox, or how to install Android Jelly Bean on VMware, or how to install Jelly Bean on any virtual machine, then please let me know in comment box below, and I will try my best to make a video on it also. So I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any question regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family member, whoever you like to share. It is totally free, and if I forget to mention something in this video, then I will going to add it in my description box below, so always check the description. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please visit my website www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in description box below. All the social website links are in description box below, so always check the description. So that's all I plan to show you in this video. It's time to say goodbye. So take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.